Hello everyone. Today I am here with an amazing life story of a very talented man whose name is Robert T. Kiyosaki. Most of us knows him due to his great teaching in his legendary book whose title is Rich Dad Poor Dad, which have been translated into 51 languages and sold over 41 million copies worldwide. If you are interested in the fields of business and finance, then obviously you knows him. Ethnically, he is an American businessman and author. He is the founder of Rich Global LCC and Rich Dad Company, which is a private financial education company that provides personal finance and business education to people through books and videos. The company's main revenue comes from franchises of Rich Dad seminars that are conducted by independent individuals using Kiyosaki's brand name. He is also a creator of cash flow board and software games to educate adults and children about business and finance concepts. Kiyosaki is the author of more than 26 books, including the international self-published Personal Finance Rich Dad Poor Dad series of books. Now we will talk about his birth and educational background. Kiyosaki was born in 1947 in the Hilo, in the American territory of Hawaii, into a family of Japanese descent. He is the eldest child of 4. It is known that he attended Hilo High School, from which he graduated in 1965. As for his academic training, he attended an institution located in the New York, from where he graduated in 1969 and committed as a lieutenant in Marine Corps. After graduation from US Merchant Navy Academy, he got a job of third officer in a Standard Oil company. Now we will take a look of his business career. As other businessmen, he also saw many failures. In 1974, Kiyosaki attended the EST seminar. According to him, this changed his life. In 1977, he started a company called Ripples, which eventually got bankrupt. Then he got a job of sales associate for Xerox unit in 1978. In 1993, Robert published his first book, If You Want to Be Rich and Happy, Don't Go to School. In this book, he encouraged parents not to send their children to college and instead to enter the real estate business. In 1977, Kiyosaki launched Cashflow Technology, which is a business and financial education company that owns and operates Rich Dad and Cashflow brands. At present time, he owns more than 1400 houses in the city of Hawaii. When it comes to political background, he supported Republican candidate Donald Trump for the 2016 presidential election. Kiyosaki also co-authored 2 books with Trump. That's all. Thank you.